television stations for additional
Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Lake County in East Central Florida, Southwestern Orange County in East Central Florida,
until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Louisa, or 10 miles west of Bay Lake, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ocoee, Winter Garden, Windermere, Bay Lake, and Claremont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is also occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm.